we learned part 1 and part 2 of voice, active voice and passive voice. Now we are learning part 3, present perfect tense. Present perfect tense voice part 3. Please subscribe our channel Satish Master 4919. Please listen. Task 3, present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. Structure, subject, have, has, or has, plus V3, or passive and active voice. To change in passive, we will use V3. So, in this tense, they gave V3 also. And object, subject, have, has, plus V3 plus object. So, one sentence is, he has eaten a banana. He has eaten a banana. He, subject, he. Have, has, V3, eaten, object, a banana. This is the structure. Subject to verb to object. So, the rule of passive voice, object changed as subject. A banana has eaten. Formula, object singular third person. Object singular third person. If it is object singular third person, has been. Plural third person. Do you know part 1 third person? He, she, it singular. And name Rama, Sita. Names singulars third person. He, she, it singular third person. So we will use has been. Plural and me and you. Then you will use have been. Object singular aite singular third person aite has been. Object plural ayi marli me kani you kani వీటిలో ఏదో ఉంటే have been. Okay. It is object a banana. A banana is it. Third person singular. So a banana has been. Third person singular. Has been eaten. Third person. Third verb. Eaten by he. Object him. A banana has been eaten by him. Next, second. He has eaten bananas. Bananas plural. Plural. If object is plural, we will use have been. So have been. Bananas have been eaten V3. Eaten also by him. So they have liked me. Object me. If it is object me, you and the plural, we will use have been. Have been. Me, subject I. Have been. Liked the V3, liked by. They object them. These are the sentences. Now, exercise example. Look at. He has repaired the watch. He has repaired the watch. He is subject. Verb. Object. The watch is the third person singular. The watch means it. The watch. So we will use has been. So the watch has been V3 repaired. Is in present perfect tense లో V3 ఏ ఉంటుంది ఇంకా. So V3 repaired by he subject to object him. They have dug the holes. Holes plural. So holes plural have been. Holes have been dug by their object them. Next sentence, someone has stolen my pen. Someone subject has stolen verb, my pen object. My pen, my pen singular third person. My pen, na pen. So adi it. So has been, my pen has been stolen by someone. The teacher has warned us. The teacher has warned us. The teacher subject has warned object verb as object. As subject we. What will you use? Has been or have been? So have been plural we. So we have been warned. V3 warned by the teacher. The CM has awarded the prizes. The CM has awarded the prizes. The prizes, so plural, have been awarded with awarded by the CM. They have played the game. Their subject have played verb, the game object. The game, singular third person. The game it. The game has been. The game has been played. V3 played by them. Okay. Next, the teacher has explained the sums. The sums, so plural. The sums, plural, have been. The sums have been explained. V3 explained by the teacher. The teacher. The sums have been explained by the teacher. So task 3 completed. Next video, task 4, simple past tense. Okay. Don't forget, please subscribe our channel Satish Master 4919.